Hi, Rana here from Technical SEO team Parliament. Today we will learn how to scrap the Amazon reviews using a simple URL. So for this purpose, I am using a Python code. You can find its link from the YouTube video description. To run this code, you have to use collab.research.google.com. So let me tell you how to do this. Paste this code here, copy this. Okay, here you have to replace your URL of the product and then hit this play button. You can see it's scraping the reviews, but click this file and download this reviews.csv. So you will have the CSV file which you can upload on Drive or Google Sheets or Excel to get the results in a proper format. Thank you.